Hello everyone, welcome to channel BioAsmita by Asmita ma'am. Today we're going to discuss about types of tumor, types of cancer and metastasis property. So without wasting much time, let's start with today's discussion. We know that cancer is one of the most fearsome disease of human being. More than 1 million of Indians are suffering from cancer and large number of them dying annually. But what is actually cancer? See, it is basically due to uncontrolled and purposeless cell division. And in this video, we're gonna discuss how and when our cells divide uncontrollably. As I said, cancer is due to uncontrolled and purposeless cell division, right? But what's wrong with our own body cells? हमारे cells को growth and division की ability है, okay, which is absolutely normal. But ये जो division and growth है, it is regulated by some growth regulator. Means जब cell division की need नहीं है या किसी particular cell की requirement नहीं है, तो ये जो growth factors होते हैं या growth regulators होते हैं, वो ऐसे cell को kill करते हैं and that mechanism of killing own body cells is called as apoptosis, which is again absolutely normal. But under certain conditions, our growth regulators can't kill those unwanted cells. मतलब सेल ग्रोथ एंड डिवीजन कंट्रोल नहीं होगा. सो वो डिफेक्टेड पर्पसलेस सेल जो होते हैं वो बार बार डिवाइड होते रहते हैं और फिर बॉडी के किसी रीजन पे उसका पाइल बनता है जिसको बोलते हैं ट्यूमर. और बाद में ये जो ट्यूमर सेल्स होते हैं ये रैपिडली बॉडी में ट्रैवल करते हैं, मतलब एक बॉडी रीजन से दूसरे बॉडी रीजन में जाके सेटल होते हैं. दैट टाइम उसको बोलते हैं कैंसर. Okay, now see the diagram. Upper section of diagram is about normal cell division and lower section is about cancerous cell division. See, cancerous cells are dividing progressively and they are forming a pile of cell which is called as tumor. I hope this diagram will help you to understand the concept. But main point is how to identify such a problematic cells. See, हमारे normal cell जो होते हैं उनके पास एक property होती है called as contact inhibition. See a diagram of petri dish. Suppose we have this petri dish and we are growing our body cells here. तो क्या होगा, जैसे जैसे सेल डिवाइड होंगे वो एक दूसरे के कांटेक्ट में आ जाएंगे, ओके. एंड उस कांटेक्ट की वजह से सेल ग्रोथ कंट्रोल मैनर में चलती है. जैसे कि आप सोफे पे मस्त अपनी ही धुन में लेटे हो और आपके घर पे कोई आता है, लाइक गेस्ट आते हैं या तो फिर आपके डैड आते हैं, ओके. तो इमीडिएटली आप ठीक से बैठोगे, सारे एक्टिविटीज़ प्रॉपर करोगे, राइट. वैसे ही हमारे नॉर्मल बॉडी सेल जब कांटेक्ट में आते हैं तो वो कंट्रोल मैनर में ग्रो होते हैं. बट कैंसरस सेल में ऐसे नहीं होता है. मतलब कैंसरस सेल एक दूसरे के कांटेक्ट में आते हैं फिर भी कंटिन्यूसली ग्रो होते रहते हैं. इट्स लाइक शैतान बच्चा, आजू बाजू कोई भी हो उसको फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, वो मस्ती करता रहेगा. वैसे ही कैंसरस सेल कांटेक्ट में आते हैं फिर भी ग्रो होते हैं, डिवाइड होते रहते हैं. उसी की वजह से ट्यूमर का फॉर्मेशन होता है. मतलब cancerous cell loses the property of contact inhibition, but most importantly they gains a property called as metastasis. We're going to discuss that metastasis by diagrams. Now we will study about metastasis. See first diagram here. पिंक कलर्ड सेल्स मीन्स नॉर्मल सेल्स एंड ब्लू कलर्ड सेल्स मीन्स कैंसरस सेल. सो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, ड्यू टू लॉस ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट इनिबिशन दिस सेल्स विल कीप ऑन डिवाइडिंग. अल्टीमेटली ट्यूमर फॉर्मिंग सेल का पॉपुलेशन बढ़ेगा. अब जैसे जैसे पॉपुलेशन बढ़ेगा ट्यूमर की साइज बढ़ेगी, राइट. नाउ सब कैंसरस सेल मेम्ब्रेन से डिटैच होके ब्लड स्ट्रीम में एंटर होंगे. सी सेकेंड डायग्राम, cancerous cell detach हो रहे, right. Now check out third diagram. Here detached cancerous cell enters in bloodstream and travel from one body region to other and invade other body cells. Also it leads to formation of new blood vessels which is called as angiogenesis. Keep in mind the process of formation of new blood vessels is called as angiogenesis, okay. मतलब cancerous cells are getting migrated from one organ to other organ via blood and lymph, even they did angiogenesis, right. This entire migratory process is called as metastasis. So guys, till now we have studied tumor can develop anywhere in the body and it is due to uncontrolled and purposeless cell division, right? मतलब अपने खुद के सेल बगावत कर रहे हैं, right? But all tumors are not cancerous. See, there are two types of tumor, that is benign tumor and malignant tumor. Benign is also called as non-malignant and malignant is also called as cancerous. We're gonna discuss both the types of tumors. Start with benign tumor. See, this is the tumor where cancerous cell remains restricted to its site of origin. मीन्स ऐसे सेल जिनको घूमना फिरना पसंद ही नहीं है, ऐसे सेल जो एक ही जगह पे चिपके रहेंगे, मतलब these cells are not showing malignance property, and that is why benign tumors are called as non-malignant tumor. And as it is restricted to a certain area, surgical removal is possible. But guys, some benign tumors are really very harmful. For example, brain tumor. Yes, a brain tumor may cause death because here brain is squeezed against the hard skull. Okay. Now, malignant tumor or cancer. See, these cells spread from one organ to other organ via blood or lymph and form new tumor called as secondary tumor. Simply ऐसे cells जो body में घूमेंगे फिरेंगे ग्रो होंगे और हमें कैंसर देंगे. Okay, so such a type of cancer or such a type of tumor is called as malignant tumor, and they are showing migratory process, right, which is called as metastasis. We have discussed metastasis previously. So see, mortality rate of malignant tumor is comparatively more than benign tumor. Also, this malignant tumor shows rapid growth, and these rapidly growing cells compete with normal cells for nutrient and finally kills them. Let's move to the types of cancer. See, there are 5 types of cancer according to the type of tissue affected. Yes, the first one is carcinoma, means cancer of epithelial tissue. It includes breast cancer, lung cancer, stomach cancer and skin cancer. Second is sarcoma, means cancer of connective tissue. It includes bone tumor, means osteosarcoma, muscle tumor, means myosarcoma, cartilage tumor, means chondrosarcoma, and tumor of adipose tissue, that is called as liposarcoma. Third one is lymphoma, means cancer of lymphatic tissue. It occurs in lymphatic nodes, spleen and other immune cells. Okay. The fourth one is leukemia, means blood cancer. Yes, it is a type of blood cancer in which there is a excessive formation of WBCs, means leukocytes in bone marrow, and there are various types of leukemia such as monocytic leukemia and lymphoblastic leukemia. Now last type of cancer, that is adenocarcinoma, means cancer of thyroid gland, pituitary gland, adrenal gland and some other glandular tissues. So guys, today we have completed types of tumor, types of cancers and metastasis property. Stay connected for further studies, and अगर अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ like and subscribe. Also, you can connect me on Instagram. Link is in the description box. See you soon with next video lecture.